Opening shot. A black screen fades to a chaotic battle in an online game. The scene is filled with the clashing of swords, the roar of spells, and the cries of warriors locked in a desperate struggle. The battlefield is a whirlwind of motion, with characters darting in and out of the fray, each fighting for survival and glory. Explosions, flashing lights, and intense music. The atmosphere is electric, charged with the energy of countless players giving their all. The camera shows the MC's first-person perspective, locked in a battle with a final boss. The boss towers over him, a menacing figure of dark power, its eyes glowing with malevolent intent. MC, inner thoughts. This is it. The last hit. Victory is mine. The screen glitches violently, everything distorts. The once clear and vibrant game world becomes a chaotic mess of pixels and static. The MC's vision fades as if being sucked into darkness. MC, shouting, "What's happening?" The sense of triumph turns to confusion and fear as the world around him collapses. This isn't part of the game. Cut to total darkness. The silence is deafening, a stark contrast to the chaos that preceded it. MC, panicked. Huh? Where am I? The darkness gives way to a lush, vibrant world, unlike anything he has seen before. What is this place? The MC looks around, taking in the strange and beautiful surroundings. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, a stark contrast to the digital battlefield he was just in. Close up, the MC looks down at his hands. They are no longer the hands of a gamer, but those of a character in a fantasy world. He's holding a wooden sword and the stats screen flashes. Level 1 stats low, the system voice echoes. System voice. Welcome, player. The voice is calm and authoritative, a stark contrast to the chaos he just experienced. You have been reincarnated in the world of Eterna Online. The words hang in the air, heavy with implication. Your current rank, noob. The reality of his situation begins to sink in. MC confused. I got isekai'd into a game? And as a noob? The disbelief is clear in his voice. This must be a joke. He looks around, hoping for some sign that this is all a prank. Scene shift. A horde of low-level goblins charges at him. Their eyes gleam with malicious intent. The MC frantically swings his sword but does no damage. The goblins close in, their laughter echoing in his ears. MC, panicked. I'm gonna die already? The fear in his voice is palpable. Suddenly, a mysterious voice booms in his head. Mysterious voice, awaken. The voice is deep and resonant, filled with power. Cut to, a surge of energy flows through the MC, transforming his sword into a glowing weapon. The power is overwhelming, filling him with a sense of invincibility. His eyes widen as his level and power skyrocket. The transformation is instantaneous and awe-inspiring. MC, in awe. What was that? I feel invincible. The disbelief is replaced by a newfound confidence. Scene transition. A montage of MC leveling up rapidly, gaining new skills and abilities with each passing moment, from a clumsy noob to an unstoppable force, mastering the game mechanics with ease, slaying bosses, leveling up faster than anyone. His progress is nothing short of miraculous. Elite Player 1, shocked. Wait, weren't you just level 1 yesterday? The disbelief is clear in their voice. How are you level 50 already? The astonishment is palpable. MC, grinning. I guess I'm just built different. The confidence in his voice is undeniable. Cut to epic boss battles with massive dragons, their scales glinting in the light as they roar and breathe fire, dungeons and intense PvP moments. Each battle is a test of skill and strategy. MC faces the Dark Emperor, a corrupted, powerful boss. The air is thick with tension. Dark Emperor, menacingly. You were nothing but a weak noob when you started. The disdain in his voice is clear. How did you become this powerful? The shock is evident. MC, determined. Because I never stopped playing. The determination in his voice is unshakable. Now, game over for you! The finality in his voice is chilling. The final epic battle unfolds. MC delivers a powerful blow to the Dark Emperor, the force of the strike reverberating through the air, and the system glitches as it breaks the corruption. The world seems to shudder as the corruption is purged. Cut to black system notification flashes. Congratulations, player. The words are a beacon of triumph. You have ascended to the rank of gaming god, the ultimate accolade. Final scene. The screen fades into a mysterious figure observing from the shadows, their presence ominous and foreboding, hinting at an even greater challenge awaiting. The air is thick with anticipation. Voice, mysterious, echoing. This was just the beginning, player. The words echo with a promise of more to come. Welcome to the true game. The challenge has only just begun.